How to paint behind a toilet. Step 1. Remove the toilet. Okay, just kidding. Lighten up. I'll show you a trick that you can use to paint behind something. The toilet's out of the way in this case, but I'll show you up behind that radiator. So first dig up a yardstick somewhere, and then just use some clear tape to affix to the end of it one of these things. And what these are for is for an edging machine. You can find them in the paint section. They're pretty cheap because nobody really uses them. They're pretty useless. But in this case, it works great for getting behind here. The trick will work almost as well if you replace this with a piece of foam rubber. But take a look at this under magnification. This pad has a whole bunch of super soft fibers that act as bristles on it. And so it produces a really nice finish that's even better than most brushes. We just load up its bristles, and once it's saturated, we paint with it.
And of course, you can use this thing again and again. I've used it throughout this project, and it still looks new. Also, there is a little bit of fine-tuning that you can do to improve your technique. Because the bristles face in one direction, it kind of goes on easier in one direction than the other. So you might want to position the pad in such a way that you're comfortable with it. Hope this was useful to you.